Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. This is Byte-by-Byte learning. It's simple, detailed, step-by-step and beginner-friendly tutorial helping beginners to learn Java from scratch. Our objective today is to explain you what IDE is. I will give you example of IDEs. IDE Integrated Development Environment is software applications that helps programmers develop software code efficiently. It increases the productivity of programmers by having capabilities such as editing, building, testing, and packaging. There are dozens of IDEs in the world, but I listed the most common ones for Java, such as IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans, Eclipse, BlueJ, JDeveloper, Greenfoot. So basically, you are gonna download one of them and write your code as it. However, in this tutorial, I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code because I find it more comfortable to work with. Of course, if you find any of the mentioned IDEs comfortable, you can still download and work on them. I want to stress on the fact that Visual Studio Code is not IDE, it's code editor. It's comprised of many extensions for different purposes. You know what JDK and GRE right? We mentioned it in a previous tutorial. If you haven't watched, please make sure to watch them. I am trying to compare JDK GRE with Visual Studio Code and its extension in order to convey my notions. Think of Visual Studio Code as JDK containing development kits and GRE, and think of extensions in Visual Studio Code as GRE containing necessary environment to run your program. There are almost thousands of extensions in Visual Studio Code. If you want to work with Java, just download this extension, Java extension. If you want to work with other programming languages such as Python, Ruby, JavaScript, and many more, just download the extensions. Now that you have basic understanding of Visual Studio Code, let's download it to our computers. In order to download Visual Studio Code, let's open any browser in your computer. In my case, I use Google. If you use anything else than Google, that's okay. Just type Visual Studio Code. Click on the first one. Since the operating system of my computer is Windows, I download for Windows. If your computer operating system is anything else than Windows, just download for them. For example, for Mac, for Linux, etc. Click download for Windows. It takes us to this page and downloading is started. Since I have already downloaded it, just click on it and it opens a new Windows. Okay, accept the agreement. Click next, next, without changing anything, next, and here create a desktop icon in order to see it on our desktop. Click next. Installation is started. I pause the video to speed up the process. Once installation finishes, just click finish and see our desktop icon here. So let's maximize it. Okay, probably you are not familiar with this frame and its components, but don't worry, we will learn them in upcoming videos. For now, let's open a folder, new folder. Let's keep it as it is, don't change its name. Select folder. Select folder. Okay, now we are good to write our first program. But before start typing, as I mentioned before, we need to download extension for it. Let's download Java extension. Let's wait a second. Okay, the first one is the most commonly used one. I have already downloaded it. If you haven't, make sure to download it. For example, if you want to work with Python, just download extension, CR Python extension. If you want to work with C, just download this C. So see how Visual Studio Code is efficient. So let's write our first program. Create main.java class. Probably you're not familiar with this class and this extension, these endings. Let's write our first program and print hello world. Okay, let's run our program. It may take a long time even to run our first program because it imports a project, it launches a project, so it takes real time. So let's wait a second. Let's wait for Visual Studio Code to import our project because we have newly downloaded it. So for the first time, it may really take a long time to launch our program. So it prints hello world to our console. See, hello world. Congratulations, you have already written your first Java program. And that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and do not forget to share with your friends. See you in upcoming videos.